So December nge-25, of which we planned nabangani bami ukuthi sizophuma masifika i-24 na anginamali siyadiscussa ke manje over the call athaya isigcibi heels everything must be on point. Okay, ngizilungise bathi kimi masifika phambili we are no longer drinking isavana, we are drinking extra pest. And I'm like content babiza bo champagne girls. So there was ubaba who was sitting esayidini uhleli nabangani bakhe, but then umngane engisho ukuthi no, that's my blesser.
Okay.
That's my blesser. I don't mind her looking at us. He's the one who's paying the bill, things like that. Sivele siyaphuza aze lo baba lo. Makazo fika yabulisa yabo. Makabulisa uyami. Why are you touching me like that? No, I was just greeting you. Nigeria.
Okay.
Ati obaba, did they tell you about me? You know everything. Because I don't even have imali yokubuyela emuva. Ngithembele kubo. Okay. I said, no, I'm your sugar.
Okay.
I'm the one. You came here for me. And I was like,
In 3, 2, 1, and action. Tamikwa.
Sanibonani Dumelang, everybody, and welcome back to Soweto Podcast. Y'all know what it is. It's your girl Tamikwa Kesa back again with another amazing episode. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below, and also become a member. I get it, guys. And then before we get into Jessica Broski, he's busy advertising his brand. If you guys have your own brands that you guys would like us to advertise for you, please do send them through to us. Send us an email. Of course, y'all know it's in the description box. And without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's matter. Hi, girl.
hi, man.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. Please do introduce yourself.
Hi, people. Should manje, guys. Nkuluma nozota ne. All the way from Slovo Park, Offitch, Slovo Park, the elders.
Okay.
So,
Jen.
Muntu kind. Muntu nenhliziyo encane. Osheshayo ukwata futhi. So otherwise I'm a bubbly person, friendly person, loving person. Yeah.
And then ukhule kanjani? Ukhulile phi?
Ngikhulele eLozi. Ngikhule nabantwana bakithi bafana.
Okay.
Yeah, my cousins, but I was naughty, but not that naughty. Jump on my face. Nkhuliso mama nogogo. Then ugogo passed away 2013 of which I was dating. But ngicela singayi lapho.
Okay.
Sibambele.
So now, isisingena endabeni yakho ke mngani usitshela ukuthi wena uze ngani namhlanje?
It's a bit complicating, but nervous ne. Khuluma ngayo, but I have no other option. I have to talk ngayo so that people may be aware of abangani esamba nabo. So December nge-25, of which we planned nabangani bami ukuthi sizophuma, of which siplane I think it was November, ukuthi okay nge-25 we're gonna go out, sihlanganise imali siphume, just girls out. Then it happened ukuthi mina aziyafika i-24 December, of which it's 2025. Masifika i-24 na anginamali siyadiscussa ke manje over the call, but kimi no, we don't have inkinga nawe. We don't have any problem. You're our friend. So it doesn't mean Gucci, when you don't have money, we can't go with you. It's okay. Don't stress yourself. Just be on point. Everything will be on us.
Okay.
I asked them, guys, Nisho, like, sure. Then they were like, we're going to Santine.
Okay.
Mind you, I do not know Santine. I want to go experience life as a Santine. Then, May 25 again, they made a call, sehlangana ke groupini. Athaya isigcibi, heels, everything must be on point. Okay, ngizilungise. Like I fixed myself, yabo ngikhona uku-makeup anemara le day ngawudweba ishiya. Yezwa? Ngathi eyelash. Bafike sambe it was ngaboma 4 ntambama masihamba. Siyakuphi Santini baya request abo girl. Silibele siphuza ini savana emotweni.
Okay.
But kimi masifika phambili, we are no longer drinking isavana. We are drinking extra pest. And I'm like, content, because content mangiposta lapha kuyobonakala ukuthi ngisendaweni ezila. Okay, masifika vele babiza bo champagne girls. Champagne girls came nama champagne. Okay, tafule looks on point. So there was ubaba who was sitting esayidini uhleli nabangani bakhe, but then umngane nje ukuthi no, that's my blesser.
Okay.
That's my blesser. I don't mind her looking at us. He's the one who's paying the bill, things like that. Mind you, mina, I'm drinking. Then we go to a point ukuthi, you see ukuthi siphila life enjani. Okay, my friends are on the level le mina ngikuyo. Mina I'm on the down one, bona they are on the top one.
Okay.
So what to give me, in order to get in this place of it, you have to get a place and singakunikeza bona.
Okay.
Leave your labukaya babroke basekasi. So I'm like, guys, beginning lap. We said we come here to come and enjoy. So boyfriend yami broke, ubani broke. Sifike kanjani lapho? Siphume kuyo ke silwele siyaphuza aze lo baba lo. Makazi ufike uyabulisa yabo. Makabulisa uyang. Then I'm like, why are you touching me? Like, I tell him no, I was just greeting you. Nigeria.
Okay.
Fine. Nigeria. So ahambe doso abangani boyithu hambe nabo. Babuye. Mababuya, another champagne comes. Ithi ngabo 2 kuyavala. And we planned ukuthi ngo2 makuvala. We are going back going back home. Case hambe. Kumele sihambe bathi no, we are going to another club. Guys, sinya debate ke manje. Guys, you said to me ngo2 sibuyele ekhaya. So sisaya go, we are like tips, we are okay. Where are we still going to? But no, don't mind. Mind you, I have to obey the rules because I don't even have imali yokubuyela emuva. Ngithembele kubo. Okay, sigibele siphuma. Masiphuma sigibele imodelo baba. Masisithi siyagibela bathi kimi no, you have to sit a front seat. Like, imoto ye boyfriend yakho. So why mele ngihlale front seat? No, ungawari hlale front seat. Okay, ngihlale front seat. Baphume abagele. Mabaphuma bangishiya bangishiya emotweni. Bathi kimi we wanna talk. Bangishiya nalo baba. Lo baba balandele babuye kimi bathi no, sizohamba ngemoto ezihlukile. Of which imoto ezakhona. I was on the Lamborghini, bra.
Okay.
Lamborghini. So bona imoto zi3. Those labo baba labo ngeke ngithi those guys. Labo baba bentshe bezimhlophe, they were 2. So omunye nomunye unemoto yakhe.
Okay.
I'm sitting emotweni ye boyfriend yomngane. Umngane is sitting on the other car. But ngiyazibuza ukuthi umngane wayengihlalisa nendoda yakhe. Or is he cheating on ubheyi wakhe so kunomunye okhona? What's happening? Okay, sifike ke athi obaba, did they tell you about me? You know everything. Ngithi yes, I know everything. Uke uzokhuluma ngale confident ukuthi yes, I know everything. Ngithi yes, I know everything. He was Banbani husband or boyfriend. I said no, I'm your sugar.
Okay.
I'm the one. You came here for me. And I was like, for you? How? It's mangisakhuluma keep his tax semali ubaba kel. Beke phezu kwamathanga. Manje ungixoxa isicephe singaka. Beke phezu kwamathanga. Ngithuke ne. Maqeda yazi imali nayo sathana. Money devil. Ngibambe le mali. But we can now go. Hayibo. Okay, siyalandelana imoto. Ngithatha imali ngifake ebhekini. I say you gonna sleep at my place, don't worry. Sleep at your place. Njani manje? Like, okay, marathi ngithule. Nkulunkulu be with me at this time because we always ushaya uvalo. But you do not know ukuthi wenzeni mara uthukile. Kunento oyenzile wrong but you aren't aware ukuthi wenzeni. Ngithatha imali ngifake ebhekini. While ngifake ebhekini, I'm still thinking ukuthi okay, if ever lo baba lo akazange izinto ezimbi ne, do I tell my friends ukuthi lo muntu ungiphi imali engaka? Or do I keep quiet? Damn. Sifike ke siya kwenye club ke naye ngiyazi kuma apartment angisazazi ukuthi ngomuphi umhlaba. But because they are there basilandela I'm okay. Mabasilandela fine sihamba imoto sifike kule club. Masifika etlapini siyayehla vele athi kimi umadala, you're not gonna go with guys. You are here with me. Okay. Still milling up the rules because angina nix. Ngitsho ukuthi makala ngizotshontsha 300 kule mali le. Ngayitshontsha ngayifaka kuphi on my private part. Libele ngizenza ngathi ngiyalunywa while ngiyayishwathi ukuthi if ever kuba nento eyenzakalayo ngiyokhona ukubaleka nemali because I do not know ukuthi uzothi makafika kubo sengibalekile athi utshontsha imali then bayafika they kill me. Yabo cause siyabulawa these days for no reason. Ngitsho ukuthi mangine 300 ngiyakajump ukuthi ngitshontshe and never ngifeel 300. Fine. Sifike kuleyo club. Maybe sihleli hour lapho angisekho comfortable nokuphuza sengiyapretenda kuphela. Abangani balibele bathi, "Alright, ngiyambuza why kwenzakalani?" Athi no, umuntu ongitholele yena loyo. To remove you out of poverty.
Okay.
Okay, ngiyabona ukuthi okay sengithengisile. It's okay. I will make a way escape. Ngabashiya nale bag la. But I will find a way. So le ngifoni yami kimi nginemali yokubuyela endlini. I will find a way yokuthi ngibaleka kanjani. Ngihambe. Sihleli hour. Ngiyaphuza. That's when ngizobabuza ngalento leyo. Then they told me that ngingamind ngiyaka ngenze nix. Okay, sharp. Kuvalwe lapho. Hour lesihle sokuyavala. Masokuvala bathi kimi chomi. Sokubona kusasa. Girls code, you know what to do. Basho bagibele emotweni.
Okay.
Bagibele emotweni ubaba ula next to me and yabaza Nigeria. You be like, okay, Zota, calm down. Be yourself. Mawufika naphambili, you're gonna get away. You balega, but this man will never sleep with you. No matter ngathiwani. Sifike sihambe siye ku-apartment. Hlala kuma-apartment but not lama apartment lawa amaningi. Then singene ngemoto. Masingena ngemoto security yile livulayo. Malivula liphinde livale. Okay. Simasemnyango ungenile utheki me. I'm not allowed ukungena naye immediately endlini. There's a certain things okumele azenze. So makazenza akumelanga kube nomsindo. Then lo security guy came while ngisatobethe phone ngaphandle athi kimi, "Are you aware if you enter the house you will not come back?" Not come back kanjani? Yabo inhliziyo ithi lo ma unomona ngoba lo nemali. What if kunomuntu amfonela yabo sozibuza because of you saw that stack of money now sozibuza ingcondo nayo seyakujuta. Athi kimi, "I'm warning you." Ngithi okay, I will talk to you. Aphuma baba makaphuma sekazenza ngathi ubheka something security ngaphandle yazula. Awungene baba abuye nesitsha. Isitsha sakhona I had to wash my toes and my hands before ngingena endlini. While esitsheni, yes, it was a Pauliet glass, the white one. Geza inyawo, geza izandla before you enter the house. Icathulo azingeni.
Okay.
Icathulo azingeni. So yena mangiceda ugeza ubuso nezandla, inyawo nezandla. Yena geza ubuso. So trauma started being there. Uthi, what if this man ukhuluma iqiniso makangiwona? What if I'm not gonna come out vele mangena? Abuyele phakathi athi I'm still going to my room. I wanna fix umbed. Makabuyele phakathi ngibiza the guy. Ngithi please make a way for me to request and go back home. You'll just give me a sign. That's okay, cool. Ngibuza uhlala kuphi ngithi ngisuka kuphi. Ildo sendlini angakangena angakaboni nokuthi indlu injani shone kuphi kwenzakalani. Ngithi I'm from Ildos. That's okay. Do you have money? Ngithi don't worry, I'm okay. Ifone ngifihlile downstairs nayo. Downstairs ukuthi ngashiya yonke into. But imali yokugibela nefone yami. Let they be on me. Afike ahambe security athi I'm gonna bolt. I'm gonna show you signs. Ukuthi say lokhu njile. Ngithi okay, cool. Athi give me, you are welcome, my queen. Ngiyangena. Incicathulo zami zisele emnyango.
This time with the blesser.
With the blesser. Masingena ke athi, do you want some drinks? My anything. Aza ngebag. It was dark green bag yakhona. Angivulele imali athi, you will not suffer. I will take care of you. Ngithuye yezwa. Ngithuye. Ngimpheke. Ngicabange lento lo muntu angitshele yona it's now clicking. So angifuni ukumjumpisa ukuthi I'm suspecting something or kanjani. Yami keep quiet ngi-act normal. Mangisa lo security mangisa act normal security and of which uthi uzongisayinela. Athi kimi ublessa, do you want something to drink? Ngithi mina yes. Athi yeah, then after giving you drinks you are not allowed to make noise in this house. When you talk softly. You do not make noise. No phone calls are allowed to be done in this house.
How?
Phone calls are allowed. It's okay. Ngapha sengiyasho makathi no phone calls are allowed. It's okay, which is, this is the way I'm gonna escape. Mabathi Bolt nayo seyila. Ngiyophuma ngathi ngiyofona, ngiringise ringtone, ngiphume. I tell ama-drinks, I say I'm still going to my room. Ama-drink ayibeke. Ngisabe nokuyiphuza. I'm thinking ukuthi what if uyithele something then vele ngeke ngisaphuma ngiyovele ngilale. Oh, lo muntu lo uthwele. Ufuna ukusacrifice ngami entweni zakhe. Ngithule. Ahamba yeromini lakhe abuye. Makabuya sihlale athi did you drink it? Mind you, ngiyithele kweyakhe. Ngiyafulile mina ukuthi makabuye abone ngathi vele iphuziwe yafa. Athi are you okay? Ngithi no, I'm okay. Ngilibele ngidobethe ifone. Ngikhalisa ringtone. Mangikhalisa ringtone ngithi can I go? My mom is calling me. Can I go outside? Athi yes, but don't take long. Mangisaphuma ngomnyango ngiyawuzwa uyakhuluma. Angizwa nokuthi ukhuluma nobani because there's nobody in the house but uyakhuluma. Ilepho ngathatha khona icathulo zami, handbag nemali yakhe angiphethe ngayishare up. Thatha icathulo nganyonyoba ngagibela iBolt. Came back home. Following day abangani called. How stupid are you? Sizama ukufaka kwi-lifestyle fancy. Wena uyaziyekelela, which is thanda lempilo yokuhlala emjondolo wena. I was like, what was the plan? Beniplaneni. Why didn't you all tell me? Ukuthi this is the situation engizohlangana nayo. But kimi, you think you are too clever ngithi wena. If we told you bozovuma ukuhamba. Ngithi so nina those fancy things eninazo. You're just getting the fancy things ngokulala nabantu abathwele or what? But kimi, and how did you go? Ngithi no ukuthi ngihambe kanjani. That's none of your business. I'm done, man. I mean like ngaba block. Till today akekho noyone wabo othi kahle kahle thi ngimfonele lo ngizame ukuza ngeplan apologize till today. And the only many handbag mangabe uyangiloya baba khayizwe ngiloya ngehandbag. Le ngayishiya nephethe liwani phakathi. That's the only thing. Nemali yakhe engazange ngibaleke nge-300 yokungisusa ingise labe ngikhona because I didn't know where was the place. So lento le engifundise ukuthi as amantombazana singathembani. Singaplana into but make sure ukuthi abantu ohamba nabo it's the people of bacishe bafane nawe ki-level. Because the fancy ones iba basibulalayo. I almost died. Mama bacishe bangibuza kithi mina. And kade bazongiluza abangani bathi mhlawumbe simshiye kuphi akazange ahambe nathi. Then kithi kade banyeke baphinde bangithole. That was bad.
Okay, iDecember yanini le?
2025.
Last year? No.
No.
Jesus.
25. Ngeke ngizikhohle ever in my life. Yabo mangikhuluma ngayo lento le I feel like crying. Because I feel like into iqeda ukwenzeka manje. Ayiqeda ukwenzeka. Isesekhona engqondweni.
Manje, how long have you been friends with nalabantu nabazana?
Ngicela ukuhlangana nabo January. Of which nakhona sihlangana emsebenzini.
Oh, benisebenzana.
Sebenza sonke.
Umsebenzi onjani? So you're acting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kuma background, that's where I met them. Yeah.
And you trusted them?
I'm that person who trust everyone. Yabo mina. Once ngabona ukuthi okay, you are kind. I will do the same. Ngizokuthemba, I will not do unless ufuna ngibonisa ama red flag. That's where I will start removing trust yami kuwe. Yabo, I trusted them. Angizange ngicabange nokuthi
into eswengayo.
So, yabo ukuthi at least nama ngene ekhasi, ngena nabo gyela abatop. Like everybody wants those friends ukuthi at least mangena bamane bangibuza ukuthi umthathaphi. Something like that. Kanti ngizilandela ukufa kwami ukungigubhele ngizigubhele mina umgodi. Ngayazi ukuthi kithi kade bangingaba ngani kade basithola isidumbu sami or what. So it's a lot.
Sha, abangani ne?
Yeah.
Okay, Chumi, singibonela ama questions namhlanje ukuthi bangiphetheleni. Okay. Hey, how old did the blesser look like?
60, 70.
Oh, nini madala.
That was Madalo nomkhaba omkhulu Jumi. Madalo inwele ezimhlophe unempandla.
Beka aggressive, makakhuluma nawe.
Yena from the start he was like soft. Until ke manje mase sofika lapha endlini yakhe sekaxa ukungibekela ama-rules ukuthi you do not talk with the phone, talk slowly, your shoes has to stay outside. I even felt like icatlo zami zingcolile. Ziyabonisa ukuthi ngiphuma emkhukhwini or what. Yabo, but nje bekamdala.
And then how many were you guys, these friends of yours?
Bese 3.
Beni 3. So
And of which kule 3 le, these 3 are cousins.
Okay.
I'm the outsider, but I'm a cousin.
So manifika vele eklabhini bonke lama place beba wonke.
Kade babonke. Laba ukade bahleli bayi3 lo mkhulu nabanye abayi2.
Oh, behleli etafuleni le-1.
Etafuleni le-1. But lo mkhulu is the one ngathi kade bamsendele nesithombe sami ukuthi angibone ukuthi this one is good. Because lo mkhulu, since we entered, lo mkhulu was like looking at us. And mind you, even those bottles of champagne, abogel mina angibabonanga bayikhipha imali, ngibabone baphakamisa isandla, then ama-champagne came.
And then mawubhekile le mali leya bekumalini so le steak leya wakulahlele ngaso.
Mfethu, that was a lot. Because besingaka ama-100 nama-200.
Maybe kuma 10K.
Maybe.
Yeah, okay. And then bowucabanga ukuthi iplan yakamkhulu ibe kuyini kahle makakufaka endlini?
Umkhulu makafaka endlini like angazi. But maybe akafuna ukusacrifice ngami after ngigeze isizandla neenyawo. Why ageze ubuso?
Ngathi bekafuna yenza destiny swap.
Yes, something like that. Or maybe bekazolala nami nitsho ukuthi ulele nami while ngilele nesilwane sakhe. So
So le bhekile imali isukaphi?
Iphume nayo ekamereni. Athi le mali le ngiyangisogole.
Uthi ukunika yona.
Unginikeza yona, which is if ever ngingalala. Ngalala nesilwane sakhe. Ekseni bengizophuma nale bag yemali. Then the question I always have ne ebantwini abanemali, especially when it comes to men. Umuntu ozoba nemali. Ubheke ungamazi ukuthi usebenza. I always have blended ukuthi what if lo muntu uthwele. Then ekuthwaleni kwakhe le mali alibela nginikeza yona. Mina I'll be happy with money. But ekugcineni what if leyo mali yezongcwaba mina? Yezongcwaba mina cause awazi ukuthi imali yamampela yena ubhizi uyafaka lapha Kimberley Hall uyafaka. Kanti isilwane sakhe maybe boma 3 months later ushonile. Awazi ukuthi ushone kanjani. Oh yini bayitsho ukuthi ufile. While wena you are still making this person more money. Because there's too much witchcraft la ngaphandle, I don't wanna lie. So mina
ngaleso sikhathi une boyfriend kwenzakalani?
Yena boyfriend was at home.
Umshilo umtshela ukuthi hey baby.
Boyfriend wambile emakhaya.
Nkosi
So
yami.
yawo bengiphethe na stress ukuthi umuntu engijayele ukuba naye akekho eduze, so ngcono ngihambe nabo girl.
And then ifamily ithini that time, did you tell your family ukuthi kwenzakaleni?
So today mama ngakamtshela.
So khana azobona manje.
The only person I told it's my boyfriend ukuthi hey ke rayenza 1 2 3. Umama ngiyamcala ngakuphi ukuthi ngiyamtshela.
So do you think ukuthi if the security guard did not warn you, bowuzoqhubeka ngemishini?
Bengizoqhubeka because I had no choice. Mara bengizoyenza iplan. Yokuthi maybe ngiyaphuma. Oh like angifuna ngithi ngizozenza ngathi ngizemapirotini.
Okay.
Or ngizigulise ngiziventise if ever umuntu right angithi uzongiyeka ngilale sofendeni ekseni ngivuke ngimtsho ukuthi this was not our agreement. Angikwazi. I have to get time to know you. Yabo.
And then what time was it that time? How did it get from?
Bongabo ma 3
Ekseni.
3 ekseni. And iBolt yangichacha 389.
And then
From la bengikhona.
And then enye uqoze njani?
Endlini mangifika ngakukotela umqashi ngathi ngine emergency ngine 300 kimi ngiphe 89 rand uzoyithola anytime nje from now, ngayithola maybe kusasa, of which I knew ukuthi kunemali okumele ingene iphuma emsebenzini. So that's how. Mara maybe if bengayitshontsha le mali leya maybe bengiye ngibe nayo plan or bengizozama ukurequesta yabo angirequestele mangifika endlini anginamali angitshelele ubhuti loyo ujwayele ukuboleka kwemali wasejardini angitsho ukuthi akanamali bokuzoyenzakalani ku-Uber kini bengisazoba ne-problem ne-Uber khaya so nje it was a lot.
Okay, so what lesson did you learn out of this entire experience?
I've learned ukuthi do not trust anyone. Nanomuntu angahleka, do not trust. And do not go after fancy things that you do not have. Because the fancy things are the things that will kill you at the end of the day.
And what advice would you give our young youth? Right, Chumi. Speaking of phambili sobamba, I'm a blessed.
Guys, be careful what the friends you have, because the same friends esiphila nabo are the same friends abafuna ukusidestroya. Do not allow umngane ozokutshela ukuthi asambe, I will make a plan phambili. Making the plan, you will be the plan yokuthi uyonikeza ngegceke lakho for utshwala and some other things. Be careful, it's dangerous out there.
And how much do you think you guys spent mobujwaling that night?
Lapha ufikile abo 11. Malini extra pairs? Malini hey and lama champagne lawa was the classic one. Hayi lawa esothola eShoprite. Lawa esithi masijabule sithi hayi ngiyothenga eShoprite ngiyazi noma ngapha 10 rand yap. That was the expensive one. Nalama light la lightile so yeah.
So kama ukuthi bill bekuma 11,000.
11,000. Lapha we spent because we even had food. Lokudla okubanjwa ngele induku lezihlaba. Yeah.
Eplaza.
Yeah.
Kaniphatha kahle.
Khona I enjoyed. Even though ithombe ngingasenazo nje. Because angithi bokade bashutha ngama iPhone mina ngisaphethe Android. Baphethe ama iPhone. Mara maybe if nga-sacrifice maybe nginayo iPhone manje.
Uyasola ukuthi why?
Ngiyasola ukuthi mara uNkulunkulu akaphi ngesandla. uNkulunkulu uvela lahlele. It's either you grab or you leave. So ngisama ngithi mara ngiyasola le mali leya.
Mara level leya I should have told you ukuthi there's something wrong somewhere.
Yabo maybe it bengangiphethanga. Abengizoba ukukhululeka kyam.
Manje bozothini kumuntu wakho?
Bekanyeke yazo phela.
Abona sewudli ikotini nje.
Besoyicoca ngenye indlela mara ucabanga ukuthi naye baby uzongibuza sekabona amadola la.
Of course, phela mina mangumuntu amele ngibuze ukuthi uyithelaphi le mali le.
Besoyicoca. Maybe bengizomtshela sesijabulile ukuthi asikwenzakalani. Kwenzaka sona so. Le mali ngayithola ngendlela. Mara you know girls always have a plan. Njengawo amachita ngithi mawusitshitela nawo ne plan yokuthi ngibani umuntu kasibani tonto. Nathi bo girl sine plan hayi ngibambi lotho. Mara mina I was gonna blow it. I was lo December lo ya. Ngithi by the time ngiyalimali, by the time I do not even have 2 wopepokotweni mara ngishimali. 31 ngazanga ngena ku New Year ngisoba lesikhathi ngisho ukuthi
ushimali engaka.
Shiye imali ihokade bayobona ngami nami nama Hennessy. Extra best. Bengiyoba umtsipe guys.
Makwenze kahle wasindisa impilo yakho nokuthi ungene emgogweni kaSathane.
Bese mase ngifile maybe bekenyeka yise naleso stock semali lapha kithi athi hey. Ambi ngaba ninja yini maybe ayibeke na lapha phezulu komnyango yabo igate nje afaka iletha ukuthi it is time to bury your daughter. Bekanyeka yenze.
Askisi lento goyishe tu yona chuma msho namanje usathukile awusafuna abafana labagande khona.
Abangana ngibafuna right now ne into engistressayo njoba I came here ngini okhuluma nani because especially I don't know you. So equation ithi umama mase kayibona. Ngiyaqala ngithini because umama uyathetha khaya.
I also understand phela bowuthathekile at least you made safe decisions for yourself ukuthi usindise nokuthi accept a temptation. Mara I think you should tell her before iphuma just in case uba ne drama.
I can't yo.
Uzobona makabona.
Ngizobona makabona ngiza explain ukuthi okay the reason why mara thingi ngitshele.
Ngitshele ke thu.
Mama I'm sorry ukuthi you're gonna find out into engidlule kuyo kanje. The reason ngakutshela it's because bengisaba ukutshela ngicabanga ukuthi uzongichika because hlezi ungikhuza ngabangani. So I decided to come ebantwini engabazi ngizokhuluma nabo. Sithemba uzongixolela malava tava sithando sami nathi thambo lami lekhini sakho mama. Yeah.
Ngiyabonga for isitori sakho. You're brave enough to come and tell us. Askisi mngani. Ungawari ngeke kwatela uma wakho. You're brave enough to at least talk about it and raise awareness ukhuze abanye ukuthi hey bafethu kushubile eSandton.
Sandton.
Bekuyini club yakhona
I
nakhona?
do not even know the name. Mina
Wena bongena nje.
Mina bengijahile ukubona ivenue yaphakathi yabo sengixoyizela lapha ngirogela igold. Kanti irogela igold kuyoba irogo lokusacrifice ngami. There is guys thakathi bukhona out there. Baya sacrifice labo mkhulu abadriver ama Lamborghini. Be aware. Jela.
Yeah, thank you for your story too. Guys, as you all heard it, not everything that glitters is gold. Right? Stay away from friends. Because banyana, dichomi, they're rekisana. Le bashimane ba rekisana, se banyana fela. That's it for today's show. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I love you guys. And broski, well done. Well done. And then guys, don't forget, Lina, if you guys have your own brands that you would like to advertise, please do send us an email so that we can get hold of your brand. Guys, so much. I love you guys. See you again next week. Bye-bye.
That's it.